Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing all the little finishing touches to this Clio 182. So yes, hello everyone, and thank you very much for joining me once again on the Clio 182. Today I'm going to be getting this thing completely finished, all buttoned up, ready to hit the road. Now, I've already done about 50 miles in this car, and it's really, really lovely to drive. The engine is now absolutely perfect, really smooth, power delivery is fantastic, and there's no bottom pulleys flying off, which is really good news. So I've already had the car cleaned today. I went and took it to a hand car wash place, and do you know what? It's cleaned up really, really nice. The interior is lovely, the bodywork is pretty good. However, we can go one step further. I've got my dual action polish over there with some fresh new pads and some cotton compound. And we're just going to give this whole car a once over quickly. You know, it's a 20-year-old car. There's a few little scuffs and scratches here and there. Hopefully we can get most of that out. And if that's the case, then this car is going to be really, really clean. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I've also got the new rear light, and I've just got a few little other bits and pieces that we're going to do along the way. So without further ado, let's get cracking. So like I said in the first episode, the only remaining damage on this car now is this cracked rear light, and it's looking pretty unsightly. I mean, this plastic here is completely coming away. Now, what I can't believe was I managed to go on eBay and buy this brand spanking new rear light for a whole £13.10. Couldn't believe it. It's really good quality as well. So we're going to get this swapped over, and then that is pretty much all the damage from this crash repair done. Now, the beauty of these rear lights is they are literally just held on by this one twisty screw. Undo that. Don't lose that. There you go. That's all it is. Now, this should pop out. There we go. Lovely. Then all I need to do is just take off this bulb holder, pop it onto the new one, screw it back in. Okay, so move to the front of the car now. Here should be a headlight washer jet that sprays onto the xenon headlights. However, when I picked this up, wasn't there. Here's what they should look like. However, they're really expensive. Chances are they'll end up leaking and don't work anyway. So I bought some caps. So I've just given that a quick polish up, got rid of any of the rubbish that was around it. I'm just going to place these in. Job done. Okay, so that's both the headlight washer caps now installed. I've given this section on both sides a real good polish. It's come pretty well. Obviously, it's a 20-year-old car, so there's going to be like stone, you know, gravel rash on the front of the paint, especially the front end, this bonnet and this front bumper, but the rest of the car is actually really, really clean. There's not really any scratches or anything. So I'm going to now do the whole front end with the dual action polisher, give it all a good polish, and then we'll just move around the car. So there's just one thing mechanical that I've got left to do, and that is install one of these onto the CV gator that's there. So, well, you're not really going to be able to see it, but you basically put these in the grooves, and I've got a special pair of pliers that nips this up and tightens it. So that's literally what I'm going to do on the inside gator there, and that is every mechanical component done on this car. Okay, so there is that clip now on. So that is all the mechanical bits complete. Okay, so there's one final finishing touch I want to give to this car. This wheel has always had the centre cap missing. So what I've done is I have bought some generic ones and some stickers, customised stickers. So now this channel stamp will always be on this car. Okay, so that is it. That is a wrap on the Clio 182. I'm really, really happy with how this has turned out. The car drives absolutely fantastic and looks stunning. This is a proper sorted little 182, and it only took me about a week and a half to sell. The new owner's going to be picking it up next week, and I really hope he's going to love it just as much as I do. I'm really going to miss this car. Unfortunately, I can't keep it. I just don't have the space. And really, this was a project to try and get a car back on the road. I cannot believe this was destined for the scrap heap. The insurance company just wrote it off without even looking at it. So I'm really pleased that this is now back on the road, and hopefully the new owner's going to love it for many, many years to come. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Have a good one, bruv.